Welcome to another episode of Quick Tricks for the MC-101. This is my 808 subscriber special. Thanks for all the support in getting me to this milestone. For this episode, I'm going to use 4 tracks loaded with the default 808 kit on the MC-101 and 4 instances of beatmap from Reason for a quick jam. I'll then walk you through how I set it all up. Let's get started. Now here's how I configured Reason. First, go to Preferences and change your audio device to the MC-101. I've turned monitoring to external only, as I'll be listening through the MC-101. Make sure your MC-101 MIDI input is enabled. Next, drag a mix channel into the rack, and then add beatmap. Then, replace the ID8 with the MIDI out device. Set the output to MC-101 and the MIDI channel to 1. This will control track 1 of the MC-101. When you press play, you can hear beatmap triggering track 1 of the MC-101. You can drag to change a note to change which pad is being triggered on the MC-101. To record the MC-101, drag an audio track and change the input to stereo, and select MC-101 input 1 and 2. Arm the track for recording, and then hit record. You have now captured the sequence. Now the basics are out the way, here's how I configured my track. I created 5 audio tracks and set the inputs to MC-101, input 1 and 2 for the master track, input 3 and 4 for track 1 of the MC-101, 5 and 6 for track 2, 7 and 8 for track 3, and 9 and 10 for track 4. I also created 4 instances of beatmap, one to control each track of the MC-101. You can see that I've set the MIDI channel to channel 1 for track 1, up to channel 4 for track 4. I then mapped some knobs on my keyboard to the knobs of the beatmap device. I also set up some automation to turn on and off the beatmap device, so I wouldn't have to worry about starting and stopping recording while I was playing the jam. I hope you found this useful. Remember to check out my other videos for more MC-101 content. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to T-Break Beats for more videos like this one.